washing your car at your own house, or even if it's a coin-operated establishment like this one, is always going to be cheaper than going to a car wash. So I do recommend that to keep your expenses down. Just keep in mind that it's not a full detail job. I'm not trying to, make this car look glamorous like it's off the showroom floor. It's just to make the good first impression when the guest sees the car for the first time. You want it to look good. So I do simple things. I make sure I use the soapy water to get it fully coated, touch every spot on the car, make sure it's clean, scrub it down, and then rinse it off. Pretty easy steps right here. Now, when I begin my drying process, just to make my job a little bit easier, I usually take out the mats and just kind of dust them off first. Get all the big crumbs and make the vacuuming job a little bit easier. And when the mats aren't in the car, it's kind of easier to vacuum the car out too. And then I start drying up the car. Like I said, it's not a full detail job. We're not trying to sell this car off the showroom floor. It's just to make sure that they understand that the car is clean, it's well kept, and they're getting what they're paying for. The rag that I'm using here is a water absorbent rag that I got from Walmart for about $9 or $10. It works really well. I usually can go all the way around the car without having to switch towels. As you can see, when I wring it out, it's a lot of water coming out, and then that's it. I let that dry off, and I use the microfiber towels to kind of finish up and detail the windows and anything else. After I finish the wheels here, I just go straight into vacuuming from the other side, and that's pretty much it. The entire car wash, real time, only took about 15 minutes. It cost about $4. I was able to spend $4 cleaning the car. I was able to stop and get gas, and it was just a good time to do it. I know a lot of times you're not going to be able to always go and do a hand car wash, and that is normal. We have lives to live. We're all working adults, and this is a side hustle. So whenever you can, just remember to do a hand car wash. It's always cheaper. It'll always save you money, and it's always worth it. You can really get to understand and see your car, and any dings and blemishes you get to see by hand washing it, going over each inch of your car. It's good to do at least every other wash. And that's it. See you all on the next video.